Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and your phone's Contacts app. This is where removal begins. Once done, disable automatic contact sync in WhatsApp settings so deleted entries don't reappear. Next, view the new chat list to confirm the number is visible. You're taking inventory before removal. Make sure you have permission to remove shared contacts if using a shared device. This avoids accidental readdition and prepares you to delete the contact properly on the device level. You now delete the number from your phone's Contacts app because WhatsApp reads that list. Tap the contact, choose Edit or Manage, then delete the specific number and confirm. Repeat for any linked accounts like Google or iCloud so it's fully removed. Once deleted, refresh WhatsApp contacts by using the refresh function or restarting the app so the change propagates. This ensures the number no longer shows in your new chat list or contact-driven sections. To finish, delete any existing chat and media so the number stops appearing in recent conversations. Open the chat, choose Delete Chat, and clear associated files. If the contact still appears, block the number. This prevents messages and hides the profile, and then clear WhatsApp cache or reinstall the app to force a fresh sync. If the number persists in groups, exit and delete the group entry. Troubleshooting tip: if deletions reappear, double-check linked account sync and remove the contact there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.